Hey everyone, I'm Brianna with WTI, and these are my beautiful Lanzo Design kitchen utensils. I love everything about these utensils. I think that these are so well made, so high quality. The color is this beautiful mint, kind of sea foam. They have these wooden bases that is beech wood, which is really high quality. And they have these silicone utensil pieces that are not flimsy. I mean, like if you really press on it, you can hardly move it. They're not cheap plastic, they're not thin, they're not flimsy at all. You can use it with tomato sauce, it doesn't stain. I love that it comes with this wooden base, this box to keep them in. It's really pretty, it's really natural looking, really minimalist. You have all of the utensils you need. I love how it looks in my kitchen. This would also make such a beautiful housewarming gift. Having a matching set of utensils for your kitchen really makes your kitchen feel so much more sophisticated, so much more aesthetic. And so I highly recommend this beautiful utensil set by Lanzo Design. I am really happy with it, but that's just my point of view.